Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 90. MOLLA. Again, it's MOLLA. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is mol, second syllable is la. Pronounce it with me. It's MOLLA. MOLLA. What is the meaning of the word MOLLA? This is an informal way of saying I don't know. Again, MOLLA means I don't know. How do we write MOLLA in Hangul? This is composed of just two syllables. For the first syllable mol, we need to draw first a meme character, followed by an o character, followed by a real character. Again, that's meme, o, and real. For the second syllable la, we need to draw first a real character, followed by an a character. Again, that's real and a. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word MOLLA. And with that, you've just learned MOLLA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 80 to 89. But don't forget our word for today, word number 90, it's MOLLA, which means I don't know. The first word for our review is the root verb for MOLLA, which is moruda. This is a verb which means not to know. Next word for our review is we, and is used to ask why. Next word for our review is Joesonghamnida, and is used to say congratulations in a formal manner. Next word for our review is otoke, and this is used to ask how. Next word for our review is otokhe, and this is used to say what to do. Next word for our review is odi, and this is used to ask where. Next word is akka, and this is used to say a while ago today. Next word is 지금. This is an adverb of time which means now. Next word is 어제. This is another adverb of time which means yesterday. And the last word for our review is word number 80. It's 내일, which means tomorrow. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.